profile for MetaTrader 4. To participate in the contest, you just need to post a comment below this video, either on Facebook or either below the video which I'll upload on YouTube. And in next week's weekly trading ideas video, I'll pick one winner from Facebook comments and one winner from YouTube comments, and both of them will win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's all you need to do to participate in the MetaTrader 4 flexible volume profile contest. And let's now go into the trading ideas for this week, starting today. The first intraday trading idea is on New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. The chart I have here is a 60-minute chart of New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar with fixed weekly profiles. This chart uses flexible volume profile, and this chart is a 30-minute chart using fixed daily profiles. So what we have in here is a very long rotation which is followed by selling activity. This indicates that sellers were accumulating their selling positions within this rotation, and afterwards they started selling and they pushed the price downwards. You can see it on all the charts. And this is the point of control of Friday. The heaviest volumes were accumulated right there at our short level. So what I think is that when the price makes it back to this level again, the sellers who are accumulating their selling positions on Friday in here and throughout this whole rotation, they will all start selling and pushing the price downwards when the price hits this level. So I think that there's a pretty high chance of strong selling activity from this level, which is exactly at 0.8579. Alright, this is the strong intraday resistance level on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's now go into another intraday trading idea, which is on Australian dollar, Swiss franc. So on all charts, this is the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. And there are two really strong resistance zones. They are best visible if you look at the fixed weekly profiles. They are very nicely visible in here. The first level is this one at 0.6735, and it is based on the trend setup. What trend setup means is that when there is a strong trend like this one, you look for significant volume clusters like this one. A significant volume cluster means that the sellers who are pushing the price downwards were adding to their selling positions there. Those heavy volumes. And those volumes got accumulated right there in this rotation. So when the price makes it back to this level again, those sellers who are adding to their selling positions will start defending their selling positions, and they are likely to start pushing the price downwards again. Alright, so that's the logic behind the first resistance. And the second one is in here at 0.6811, and this one is based on volume accumulation setup. As you can see, pretty massive volumes got accumulated in this rotation. And what happened after that, after the rotation, is that significant selling activity started from this place. So strong sellers initiating their selling activity after the rotation in which they accumulated their selling positions. Heavy volumes, heavy selling positions, alright? And they were pushing the price downwards from this place. So this is the volume accumulation setup. What you do, you just wait for a pullback to this level where the volumes were the heaviest, and you expect that the sellers will be defending their selling positions, and when the price hits this level, the sellers will start pushing the price downwards again. The last intraday trading idea will be on the euro pound. So let's have a look at it. Alright, so this is the euro pound. And again, this trading idea is very nicely visible on the fixed volume profiles. Those fixed volume profiles. Those are the weekly volume profiles. And what you can see is that the euro pound is pushing upwards. So I'm looking for heavy volumes from which strong buying activity starts. There is one pretty significant volume cluster in here. This is weekly point of control. Maybe if I zoom it a bit for you, you'll see it better. Right, it's in here. Heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got accumulated, mostly in this rotation. And afterwards, you can see that strong buying activity started from this rotation. So again, as in the previous case, this is the volume accumulation setup, heavy volumes from which strong buying activity starts. So when the price makes it back to this level, I expect that those buyers who are accumulating their buying positions there and afterwards they push the price upwards, I expect that they will be defending their buying positions, they'll start buying and they'll push the price upwards again. Alright, so that's for the intraday trading ideas, and let's now have a look at swing trading idea. So the swing trading idea which I have for you today is on the US dollar Swiss franc. Before you have a daily chart of the US dollar Swiss franc, and as you can see, there was a rotation from which strong selling activity started. So what I'll do is that I'll use the flexible volume profile over this rotation like this. Heaviest volumes throughout the rotation being right here, and this means that the sellers who are accumulating their selling positions in here and started this selling activity placed most of their volumes in here at this level. So when the price makes it back to this level again, it's very likely that those sellers will start selling again, defending their selling positions, those positions, and they'll push the price downwards again. By the way, if you move the profile like this, to look at this whole area which I have here, you can see that the heaviest volumes were in here close to our level, which is again nice confirmation of the level we have here. Alright, strong point of control from this whole area is a good confirmation of the level. And the exact value of the level is at 0.9905. Alright, that's the swing resistance which I have here. Alright, so that's for the weekly trading ideas. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you would like to trade with me every day, and if you would like to join our traders community, you are very welcome to do so. Just visit my website, trader-dale.com, and in here you go to Dale's Forex course. You scroll down a bit at this page, and in here currently there is a sale for the lifetime membership and for the volume profile pack, volume profile indicator pack, which I use in my trading analysis. That's the volume profile pack which you saw today. Currently there's summer sale, 35% off, ending August 31st. And what I recommend is getting this package. The reason for that is that not only you'll get the lifetime Forex course, the lifetime membership in the Forex course, but also you'll get the volume profile pack. It's also lifetime license of the volume profile indicators, which I use every day for my trading analysis. Alright, so that's for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.